Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. Now I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in CapCut. So, to reverse a video in CapCut, all you need to do is highlight the video and come up to this bar in the middle of the CapCut editor and select reverse. This will then start reversing the clip. Now, depending on the length of the clip is how quickly it will reverse it. So this is only a small clip, so it will be done relatively quickly. If you have a large clip you want to reverse, it may take a little longer. So now, as you can see, the man is running backwards across the sand dunes. Now let's put this back to its original state. Now let's say you only want to reverse one little section of a clip. What you can do, you can go to that section, you can select split, and go to the next section, split again. Now let's say we only want to reverse this middle section as the man is jumping. So we highlight that, press the reverse section again. Now this will be done very quickly as it's only a small little clip. Now if we watch it, the man runs across the sand dunes, and as he jumps, he reverses. Now it doesn't really work that well with this clip, however, that's how you reverse a clip and a small section in CapCut. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.